四是四，十是十，十四是14，40是40，14不是40，40不是14， 44只石狮子。Hey, 大家好, hello everybody. Welcome back to Intro to Chinese, Basics You Need to Know with AkinaYing. Of course, I'm AkinaYing. Today we are going to learn how to count in Chinese. So I started with a tongue twister. Tongue twisters can be really fun, and this one will definitely make you work for it and use your brain and think for it. It was quite hard for me to say all of that right. So good luck with that. And for this video, we're going to learn the numbers. We will first learn how to count in Mandarin from 1 to 10, and then by tens, we'll start with 1 through 10. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make new videos every week. I'd love to see you back. And number 1 is yi. So it looks like a line like that. That's yi, yi, yi. And then 2 is R. You draw a line under the ones. So 2 lines means R, R, R. And then 3 is san, and that is 3 lines. It's longer progressively, and that means 3. San, san, san. And then number 4, any guesses for another line? No. Okay, story time. A rich man once sent his son to school to learn how to write, and he went to a tutor, I guess, or private teacher. And the first day he learned how to write 1. So he wrote 1 is 1 line, yi, and then he learned 2. The next day he drew another line under it, so that's 2 R. And then on the third day, he was taught another line under it, and that meant 3 lines for san. So then he's like, oh, I don't need to go to school anymore. So if every line you add makes the number increase, I know how to write all the numbers, so why do I need to go to school anymore? So he quit. And then one day his father had a banquet. His father asked him to write a banner, you know, those doorposts, and one of the words was like 1,000 or something. And the son went to work that day to write the doorpost. His father came by and asked him, what are you doing? And the son is still over there writing on his doorpost. And what do you know? He's still writing the word 1,000. All the lines underneath to make 1,000. And of course, that would be ridiculous. So no, that's not how you write 4. Well, you already saw it in the earlier part of the video. 4 is 4, remember? So 4, 4, 4, 4. On to 5. Number 5. And 5 is 我. So it looks like that. 我, 我. 6 is 6, 6. Number 7 is 七, 七, 七. That's 七. 8, that's 八, 八, 八. So make sure you have a little space in between, otherwise it will be a different character. Number 9 is 九, 九, 九. Number 10 is 十, 十, 十. Looks kind of like a cross. But anyways, that's 1 through 10. I'll write them all on the board so you can look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's say this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well now we're going to count by tens. 10. 10, of course, we just learned. 10. And 20 means 2 tens, right? So we would say 20, 2, 10. 20, 2, 0. 20, 20. 30 is 3, 3, 30. and then 40, 40, and then 50, 50, and 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. That's a new word, 100. And then the one goes down. 100. Okay, so let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now you ask, what about in between, like 11, 15, 23. 11 is 10 and 1, right? 11. So you would say 11, 10 and 1, 10, 1. And then 15, you would say 15, 10 and 5. And then for 23, you would say 23, 20, remember? And then 3. Or you can just say 23, that also works. It means 2, 3. Let's try to count from 1 to 20, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you want to go on, it would be slower version will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. But if you want to go fast, it'll be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Are you interested in the tongue twister again? 4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40，14不是40，40不是14。44只石狮子. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thumbs ups are always welcome. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the area below. I linked the 4 is 4 tongue twister in the description below. Make sure you check that out. I also linked the numbers PDF in the description box. It will include the pinyin for it. The pinyin has the tones in it already. The characters and the English translations, like 1, 2, 3 spelled out, and also the numerical numbers, the universal language. Let me know if you have any thoughts about this video, and I'll see you next time. 下次见。